ISO 2022 is a new standard for financial messaging. It is designed to improve the efficiency and security of financial transactions. This standard is becoming increasingly important in the world of finance. Many believe it will play a major role in the future of payments. ISO 2022 is not a cryptocurrency itself. However, some cryptocurrencies are being developed to comply with this new standard. These coins aim to bridge traditional finance and the crypto world. This compatibility is making them attractive to investors looking for the next big thing in digital assets. The shift towards ISO 2022 compliance is a significant event. It signals a move towards a more interconnected and standardized financial system. This change presents both opportunities and challenges for traditional institutions and cryptocurrency projects alike. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone interested in the future of finance. As the financial world evolves, staying informed about developments like ISO 2022 is essential. This knowledge empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their investments and financial future. Investors are always looking for new opportunities. ISO 2022 coins have sparked great interest. These coins offer a unique proposition. They combine the benefits of blockchain technology with the potential for mainstream financial adoption. One key reason for this interest is the potential for growth. As the ISO 2022 standard becomes more widely adopted, compliant cryptocurrencies could see a surge in demand. This potential for increased use and value is a major draw for investors. Moreover, these coins offer a way to be part of a potential financial revolution. Just as Bitcoin and Ethereum disrupted traditional systems, ISO 2022 coins could change how we think about and use money. This potential to be at the forefront of a financial paradigm shift is exciting for many investors. However, it's important to remember that all investments carry risks. While the potential rewards of ISO 2022 coins are significant, it's crucial to approach this new asset class with caution and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Finding and buying ISO 2022 coins is similar to trading other cryptocurrencies. The first step is finding a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that lists the specific ISO 2022 coin you are interested in. Once you have chosen an exchange, you will need to create an account and complete the necessary verification processes. These processes typically involve providing personal information and proof of identity to comply with regulatory standards. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds. Most exchanges accept deposits in various cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies like US dollars or euros. Select the appropriate deposit method and follow the instructions provided by the exchange. With funds in your account, you can finally purchase your chosen ISO 2022 coin. Use the exchange's trading interface to place an order. You can choose from different order types such as market orders or limit orders, depending on your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Remember to review your order before confirming to avoid any mistakes. Once you own ISO 2022 coins, security is paramount. Like other cryptocurrencies, these coins are stored in digital wallets. Choosing a secure wallet and practicing good security hygiene is crucial to protect your investments. There are various types of wallets available, each with pros and cons. Software wallets are user-friendly and often free but offer less security. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, provide the highest level of security by storing your coins offline on a physical device. Regardless of your chosen wallet, prioritize security. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be wary of phishing attempts, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or sharing your private keys with anyone. Remember, you are solely responsible for the security of your digital assets. Taking the time to understand and implement proper security measures can save you from potential losses and ensure the safety of your investments.